Chapter 5. The Equatorial Region, Congo Basin. Let's learn location, climate and vegetation, wildlife, economic activities, life of the people, transport, important cities. The regions lying between 10 degrees north and 10 degrees south of the equator are known as the equatorial regions. This area covers a large part of the world, including countries like Ecuador, Colombia, Brazil, Nigeria, Uganda, Guinea, Democratic Republic of the Congo, Malaysia, Indonesia, etc. In this chapter, we will study about the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Location. The Democratic Republic of the Congo is situated deep in Central Africa. From 1971 to 1997, it was named Zaire. It is the second largest country in Africa and has an area of about 23.5 lakh square kilometers. The capital of Congo is Kinshasa. It is surrounded by land on all sides except a small region which faces the ocean. It is surrounded by 9 neighboring countries, that is, Congo in the west, the Central African Republic and South Sudan in the north, Angola and Zambia in the south, and Tanzania, Burundi, Rwanda, Uganda in the east. The equator passes through the country. 1/3 of the country is in the northern hemisphere and 2/3 lies in the southern hemisphere. The Congo River flows in the central part and is surrounded by mountains and plateaus. It cuts the equator twice and is popularly known as the Highway of Central Africa. The Ruwenzori Mountains lie towards the northeast.
Lake Albert, Lake Edward, Lake Kivu, and Lake Tanganyika lie along the eastern border.
Info Hive. In the densest parts of the region, only 1% of the sunlight reaches the ground. Brain tickler. Which ocean touches Congo on one side? Climate. The Democratic Republic of the Congo has a hot and wet climate throughout the year. Due to its location at the equator, rainfall occurs all the year round and is abundant. It rains heavily every afternoon accompanied with thunder and lightning. Humidity is high, which makes it uncomfortable at times. Info Hive. Bonobos are found only in the Congo rainforest. They are the closest relatives to human beings. Vegetation. This region has thick evergreen forests due to the heavy rain. Trees are tall and evergreen with hard wood. These forests are uneconomical because of the thick undergrowth of bushes and shrubs, which make transport impossible. Ebony, mahogany, and rubber are some useful trees of these forests. The tall trees form a canopy above, which shuts out the light from reaching the ground. So the forest is dark and damp. A variety of plants are found in these forests. Wildlife. Many types of animals such as monkeys, gorillas, pigeons, chimpanzees, baboons, okapi, that is a horse-like animal, deadly insects including the tsetse fly which causes sleeping sickness, and pythons are found in these thick forests. Marshy areas are home to elephants, rhinoceros, and hippopotamuses. A large variety of birds is also found here. Congo has such a wide variety of wildlife that it is called the natural zoo of the world. Hunting, however, has reduced the number of animals. The hippopotamus is facing extinction. Economic activities. Farming is the main occupation here. Shifting agriculture is still in practice. Major food crops are rice, maize, sugarcane, cotton, and cassava. Cassava is a root crop and is the main food of the people here. The cash crops of this region are cocoa, coffee, tobacco, cotton, rubber, and palm oil. This region has a lot of mineral wealth. Large deposits of gold, diamonds, and copper could be found in this region. But people here have not been able to fully utilize these resources for development. Due to underdeveloped industries, most of these minerals are exported. Brain tickler. Can the biggest rainforest in the world face the problem of deforestation? Life in the region. The Democratic Republic of the Congo got independence in 1960 and is thinly populated. The climatic conditions are not favorable here. The people living in this region have to struggle hard for a living. The majority of them are Bantu tribesmen. They are tall and have curly hair and live in a traditional way. They speak the Bantu language and enjoy music and dance. People living in the Congo basin are called pygmies. They are short in height and live in temporary huts. Most of the huts are built on trees or on poles because the ground is wet and marshy. They move from one place to another in search of food. Hunting and gathering food are their main occupations. Info height. The tallest of the pygmies rarely exceed 5 feet in height. Transport. The transport system is not well developed, as it is difficult to construct roads and railways through the thick forest and marshy lands. Water transport is an important means of traveling. After independence, there has been some development in the transport system. Air transport is fast becoming popular here. Important cities. Nearly 30% of the total population lives in towns and cities. Kinshasa, the capital of the Democratic Republic of the Congo, is the largest city. It is situated in the west of the country. Other important cities are Lubumbashi, Kanaga, Kisangani, and Matadi. Matadi is the main seaport. Recap. The Democratic Republic of the Congo lies in the central equatorial region in Africa. The climate of this land is hot and humid throughout the year. The Congo River is the country's main river. It is thinly populated. Most of the population is of Bantu tribesmen and the Pygmies, who are the original inhabitants. Kinshasa is the capital of this country and Matadi is the main seaport. Life skills. Mother, what is wildlife conservation? Sohan, due to excessive hunting activities of humans, some species of birds and animals are on the verge of extinction. So, to protect them, government has made wildlife sanctuaries and national parks. Why is their protection so important? Losing them will disturb the ecological balance on the earth. If that happens, then it would become inhabitable for humans. I understand now, Mother. Nature has a very delicate balance, and we should act sensitively not to harm it in any way. Values for life. Animals do not need humans to conserve the environment and maintain ecological balance. It is humans who need animals to do so. Save animals and preserve the planet.